Hi everyone, it's Claire back again. I've been dying to open this box, but I knew that I needed to film it because it's a challenge from Amanda, the nail polish hound. But before I get into it, I just want to say, Helen B, thank you so much for your parcel. Helen sent me a couple of polishes in a Roses box, so I've eaten most of them, but here are the Roses chocolates, and inside were two fantastic Cirque colours. So this one is Fata Morgana and this one is Palm Springs. I don't know if they're from the same collection. I'm actually wearing Palm Springs today. It's a beautiful a kind of cyan blue with a pink flash, and it's so pretty. Look at that shifty pink gold shimmer in there with a ton of scattered hollow, and it's absolutely beautiful. I've worn this for a couple of days, but this polish I actually wore I think for about 3 days and I did not want to take it off. This is Fata Morgana and it's it's described as a lavender. To me it's more of a kind of pinky taupe on the nail, but again it's got that beautiful pinky copper flash and the scattered holographic, and I absolutely loved wearing this one. Helen, thank you so much. So she said what she did was she ordered these two polishes but they never arrived, so she reordered them and then she had two lots. I've done that once before actually with a couple of years ago with Illamasqua polishes, which is why I ended up doing lots of Illamasqua in the Giwis when I used to do the Guess It Win It monthlies. But anyway, Helen, thank you so much. I hope you have a fantastic Christmas. I'm hoping that the next time Mum is over from Ireland that she can take some polishes back to you. But these are absolutely amazing. Thank you. Okay, so back to Amanda's parcel. Let's have a look what's inside. Okay, so I've got a card here. Oh, that's fantastic. Thank you, Amanda. You know, I feel really terrible because I sent a load of cards and bits and pieces out last Christmas, but this year I just have not been organised at all. It is the 22nd, 23rd, 22nd today, and I've not even really started Christmas shopping yet. I know, cover your ears for everyone who plans and is organised. It's just been one of those years. Um, yeah, so I'm sorry about that, but let's have a look. So we've got some Haribo Tangfastic. She knows that I love these sour, sugary treats. Really bad for you, but I absolutely love them. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Sit, lie down, lie down. Up, up, up. Good boy. He absolutely loves those. He's really happy with those. And you know what? I didn't press record when I came back to the camera. So let me just catch you up. Oh, I feel terrible about this. So this was a Sally Hansen from Amanda, and she said in the card, it says no peeking, only kidding, you can peek. Something that was missing from your blacks. And don't worry, the glitters lie flat. And it's a really pretty silver glitter in a black base. And I was laughing at this in the bit that I didn't capture on film because I've just done a video that this would have been really helped out with that video. So this is Lux Tux, Sally Hansen, and a fantastic glittery black polish. Thank you, Amanda. And also there's also this really cute little unicorn key ring, some dreamies for the cats. Oh my god, I practically unboxed the whole thing without pressing record. Also, there was a package saying, seeing as you're so good with this, and look at these fantastic nail foils. Look at those, like an optical illusion. And you know, I was looking on Instagram recently, and they've got some really great new nail foils that have come out. And, you know, they always look really easy to apply. There is a technique for it. But yeah, I absolutely love these. Thank you so much, Amanda. I'm going to be having lots of fun with those. And then this box here that I left to the last, it's a Blooming Challenge, Claire. Okay, so that is the YouTube address for me to have a look at the instructions. So what I think I will do is go and watch that video, and then I'll be back very soon. See you in a minute. Okay, so there are a couple of things that I'm a little bit nervous of. I've never done this type of nail art before, and I've certainly not done this type of nail art with gel nail polish. I'm a little bit nervous about that, and I think what I will probably do is use a peel-off base coat just in case I make a complete mess of it. But if you don't know what I'm talking about, go and check out the video that I've just watched. I'll link that down below, and I will also link Amanda's attempt. She said she did it on 2 nails, so I think I'll probably try it on these 2 nails here. And let's see what we've got inside the box that hopefully will help me with this challenge. Okay, right. So I have, a magnet. Okay. Chameleon cat's eye. And the colour coat. Okay, so I've got 3 things here to help me with this challenge. And it's obviously magnetic. Should I still be doing the rose design? Is this like an extra step to the rose design? I don't know. I'm going to give it a go, and let's see what happens. That is the final effect. I know I've probably done a million different steps wrong there, but actually I do kind of quite like the overall effect. You can't see the rose design. I just thought with it being a clear blooming base rather than the white which was in the tutorial video, that it would be okay over the polish that I'm wearing, but I think I've probably made a huge mistake. I don't know if you can see the rose design there, or if it would be any more visible on top of a different colour, perhaps a black base. I don't know. I'm going to go and watch Amanda's video where I'm sure she's done an amazing job, but yeah, I've made a total mess of this. But I'm going to investigate this a bit more and see if I can practice a bit more with this technique. But thank you very much, Amanda. I hope you all have a wonderful Christmas, and I've got a few more videos coming up over Christmas. Top 10 Arda's nails and famous 5 glitters, and then we've got some more videos. Top 18 of 18, a huge collaboration. So let me know what you think of this design. Have you tried this rose gel design? And yeah, it's definitely one for me to practice with. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you in the next video. Bye!